Have you ever wondered, what if dragons were more than just mythical creatures? Dragons, these majestic beings that soar through the skies of our imaginations, are more than mere figments of fantasy. They're deeply entrenched within our collective consciousness. Their fiery breath and impenetrable scales etched into the folklore and mythology of cultures far and wide. From the serpentine dragons of East Asia, revered as symbols of power and good fortune, to the fearsome fire-breathing beasts of Western lore, dragons permeate our world, inspiring awe and mystery. They're embodiments of the unknown, the unexplored, the unexplained. Why do these creatures resonate so deeply with us? Is it our love for the fantastical? Or perhaps our yearning to understand the mysteries of the universe? These questions tease our curiosity, coaxing us into the enigmatic world of dragons. Now prepare to embark on a journey into the world of dragons, debunking myths and discovering fascinating facts. Scene script. Dragons, often depicted as enormous, fire-breathing creatures, have unique characteristics that set them apart. Let's delve into the anatomy of these mythical beasts to better understand their fascinating features. To start with, dragons are most commonly depicted with hard, protective scales covering their bodies. These scales, much like the exoskeletons of insects, serve as a form of armor. They protect dragons from prey, environmental hazards, and even the heat of their own fire. Imagine the sheer amount of food a creature of such size would need to consume to generate enough energy to grow and maintain this tough exterior. It's no wonder tales often speak of dragons hoarding and feasting on vast quantities of treasure and livestock. Then we have the dragon's wings, a feature that adds to their formidable image. The wings, often bat-like in appearance, suggest that these creatures are capable of flight. For a beast of such immense size to take to the skies, it would require an extraordinary amount of strength and energy. This further emphasizes the dragon's need for a copious food supply. The ability to fly also grants dragons a strategic advantage when hunting or evading threats. Now let's not forget the dragon's most iconic feature, its ability to breathe fire. This trait, while fantastical, has some grounding in reality. Certain creatures on Earth, like the bombardier beetle, have evolved the ability to produce and expel hot, noxious chemicals as a defense mechanism. Could a dragon, theoretically, have a similar adaptation on a grander scale? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? All these features, the scales, the wings, the fire-breathing, paint a picture of an incredibly powerful and resilient creature. However, they also indicate a lifestyle that requires a tremendous amount of resources to sustain. These physiological traits, while fantastical, offer a glimpse into why dragons are such captivating creatures. Dragons are not exclusive to one culture or region. They are a global phenomenon. These mythical creatures have imprinted themselves onto the tapestry of human folklore, taking on a multitude of forms and meanings as diverse as the cultures they inhabit. In the Western world, dragons are often depicted as monstrous beasts. They are the embodiment of chaos and destruction, creatures to be feared and conquered. Think of the fire-breathing terror in the epic tale of Beowulf, or the gold-hoarding Smaug from The Hobbit. These dragons are formidable adversaries, symbols of the challenges that heroes must overcome. On the other hand, Eastern cultures paint a starkly different picture. Here, dragons are revered as benevolent beings. In Chinese mythology, for instance, the dragon is a symbol of power, strength, and good luck. These dragons are not the villains of the story, but rather divine creatures associated with the natural elements, particularly water. They are said to have control over rain, typhoons, and floods, and are often linked to the emperor's authority. The dichotomy between these depictions is striking, yet there are threads of similarity woven through these disparate portrayals. Regardless of their form or symbolism, dragons universally embody a sense of awe and power. They represent forces beyond human understanding or control, a reminder of the vast and mysterious world that lies beyond our grasp. Interestingly, dragons also stand as a testament to human creativity and imagination. From the feathered serpents of Mesoamerican cultures to the winged giants of European folklore, the image of the dragon has been shaped and reshaped in countless ways. reflecting the diverse imaginings of societies across the globe. From feared beasts to revered deities, dragons hold a unique place in the folklore and mythology of cultures around the world. They are a testament to our collective fascination with the unknown and the extraordinary, a fascination that continues to captivate us to this day. Dragons have not only inspired myths and legends, but they have also influenced art, literature, and even science. These mythical creatures have served as muses for countless artists, breathing fire into their imaginations. From intricate dragon sculptures in ancient temples to the fantastical beasts depicted in modern-day fantasy novels, dragons have left their mark on the canvas of human creativity. In literature, dragons have soared through the pages of countless tales, symbolizing power, wisdom, or sometimes the embodiment of chaos. They've ignited the creativity of authors, inspiring stories that have captivated readers for centuries. Dragons have even found their way into the realm of science. They've inspired the naming of the Draco constellation in the night sky, a permanent reminder of their influence on human thought. Their likeness is also seen in the real-world creature, the Komodo dragon, named for its dragon-like appearance. The influence of dragons extends far beyond mythology, permeating various aspects of our society. Dragons, mythical yet mesmerizing, continue to captivate our imagination with their fascinating traits and cultural significance. These legendary creatures are a marvel of mythical biology, possessing unique physiological traits such as their ability to breathe fire, fly despite their massive size, and their intimidating scales and claws, which serve as potent symbols of strength and fear. Dragons are not just confined to a single culture's folklore. They are a global phenomenon, having found a place in the tales and myths of societies across the world, being revered, feared, and respected in equal measure. Their depictions vary, from the majestic, benevolent creatures of the East to the fierce, treasure-hoarding beasts of the West. They have also significantly influenced art, literature, and even science, with their awe-inspiring image being used to depict the struggle between good and evil, and their imagined biology sparking discussions on the possibilities of life. Whether real or imagined, dragons hold a powerful sway over our collective consciousness, embodying both our deepest fears and our most awe-inspiring fantasies.